Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Passover. Tomorrow night I am hosting Seder, so right now I'm like just prepping everything. Got the table ready to go, and yeah, so I don't normally vlog, but I did vlog for Hanukkah, so I thought it'd be nice to vlog for Passover, and I really just want to like capture the memories for myself more than anything else, so yeah. But yeah, I have a few other Passover videos, by the way, which I'll link down below in case you guys want to check those out. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I make videos about being a Jewish mom and minimalism with kids, so definitely hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more. I'm gonna vlog you through Passover, at least one day of it and one Seder. All right, let's go. I got these little plastic cuppy things for the egg, parsley, something like that, so I'm going to put these on all the little plates. Okay, so yeah, I'm just starting to like set the table a little bit. I'm not going to completely do it because we're still going to be like hanging out in the house tomorrow in the morning, and my son is 18 months old, so yeah, there's only so much china you can put out on the table without just, you know, being dumb. So yeah, so I'll show you guys really quick what I've got so far. My mom sent me this beautiful table runner, which I love. Got my white tablecloths, got the china going on. For dessert, we're just gonna use plastic. And then I've got the dessert stuff, candlesticks, kiddush cup, some more plates. And then over here, just some like cooking stuff. And yeah. I talk about this in my how to make Seder, by the way. I love to use little sticky notes to say where each thing goes, because one, it helps me just like make sure I remember to put everything else. Like I don't leave the Charoset in the refrigerator by accident, and it helps me to make sure I have enough like serving things out that I'm gonna need. So like when people come over, I'm not like, oh shoot, I need another serving plate, let me go get that. And then I also like that it just like gives me peace of mind, and I like knowing like how many dishes are gonna be set out, how it's all gonna look. I know it's a little OCD, but I actually really think it's helpful. Okay, so tomorrow will be the big prep day. I know it's only 8 o'clock at night, but I'm ready for bed, y'all. So yeah, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Happy Passover morning. So things are already getting busy. My husband just came back from the grocery store. There was a few last minute things I needed, even though I said I didn't want that to happen, but I knew it would. But also we needed flowers, so you can't get that too early. So yeah, I'm gonna go like arrange the flowers. I already put the brisket in the slow cooker. I'm just gonna get the chicken in the oven. I like to just cook it in the morning, and then I'll just reheat it before the meal. That way I'm not like, oh my gosh, it's not ready or something. And yeah, let's get to it. What you doing, Maximo? You reading? Okay, I have showered, dried my hair, feeling a little bit more like a normal person right now. And I want to show you guys, the briskets in the slow cooker. There she is. And then I have the honey mustard chicken in the oven. Right there. I think I'm like ready and good to go. I'm sure like later on this afternoon I'll be like, there's so much to do. But right now I'm just gonna like tidy the house a little bit and enjoy the day. So it's now like 1 o'clock and everything's pretty much done. The potatoes are in the oven right now. The only thing I've left to do is the Charoset, but if you ever made Charoset before, you have to do it in the food processor. Unless if anyone else has a recipe where you don't, let me know. But yeah, you kind of have to do it in the food processor, and I really hate cleaning an extra kitchen item. Like if I'm a minimalist in anything, it's in using as few things as possible to cook, because I hate doing dishes. So yeah, I'm just like dreading doing the Charoset, but I love eating it. It's definitely an important part of the Passover experience, so I'll do it. I'm just staring at the apples right now. I will do it. By the way, it's nap time right now, so I'm just like trying to get everything done, but I'm also like, I want a nap. I'm sure anyone who has a child feels that way when they nap. I feel like I'm hosting a cooking show today. So I just put 6 apples in the food processor and used that like top shreddy blade thing. And I'm gonna do about like probably, let's see, for 6 apples, maybe a 1/4 cup of Minimalist sweet wine. And then I'm also gonna put the walnuts. Usually I do these in the food processor as well, but I think I'm gonna just chop them finely myself because my son's napping. So walnuts in the food processor can be very loud. And then I'm just gonna leave out like a little Tupperware full of just the plain apples. That way my son can take it to school, because he's not allowed to take nuts, and of course he's not allowed to take wine to school, although I'm not sure it specifies that, but I'm pretty sure it's not allowed. Also, this is very satisfying. I'm just gonna show you guys. Ooh. Taste test. Really good. Okay, Charoset's done. Eggs are done. I freaking hate peeling eggs. If y'all have any tips on how to do it without them like getting all gross, let me know. And we've just figured out where everyone is going to sit. So I just put their like little matzo name tags everywhere. Doggies are ready to go. And yeah, I just need to do the salt water and parsley. And then I think I'm gonna go get ready. It's Seder plate time. I know you're excited. By the way, Andrew's doing dishes. So good. All right, so remember I told you I really don't like doing dishes or cleaning up after making Charoset. Thanks, honey. Okay, Seder plate. So, by the way, my Seder plate has everything labeled in Hebrew, but it's just a little hard to read. You have to like look at it closely. Egg. This is bitter herbs. Okay guys, so everything is ready to go, but I forgot I have to carve the brisket, which can get messy. And an apron's like not gonna do the trick, because like I'm wearing a sweater, so I don't want my sweater sleeves to get all briskety. So I'm putting on my husband's raincoat to protect from the brisket splatter. I'm not gonna film cutting it up because I think that's gross, but I will show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. Okay guys, everything is ready to go. I'm dressed and ready, and dog wants to go out. Oh, I'm ready. But yes, so I'm not sure how much more I'm gonna be able to film, because of course, you know, a lot of family doesn't want to be on camera and stuff, but I'll try to like grab some snippets from the Seder. But I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you liked it. I hope you had a very happy Passover if you celebrated. If you've never seen any sort of Passover celebration before, I hope you found this interesting. And yes, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and definitely subscribe to my channel to see more. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Tonight we gather to celebrate Passover. Passover is a holiday commemorating the Israelites
and the 4th of sweet and winsome. He was young and he was small. While his brothers asked his questions, he could scarcely